What's up everyone? Today we have this. It's in this box. The Hifiman Sundara headphones, the open back ones. I know I made a video on the closed back ones, which I will also show in the video next to it. So it's like a closed back version, but the closed back for some reason is like half the price, which is interesting. Even though I would assume they use the same speaker inside because they carry the same name, or at least the same model. You know, it's not the same model, the same name. Whatever, you get it. So they have the ability to charge double the price on the open back. There it is. I bought this one on Amazon. Link will be in description. And then it has the same seal on the other side. Very nice, very secure packaging. Points for that. Here's the headphone itself. Well, not the headphone, the other box that houses the headphone. Some quick specifications, you can read that. In the box, you get another box which contains the accessory. Notice how I say accessory singular, which is just the cable. It's a decent feeling cable, but you know, could be better. And here's the headphone itself. Pretty big, but it's nice. And you adjust it like that. I have to check my other one, what the setting I was using. Also, it kind of comes with like a headphone stand kind of thing. They say like, you know, do that when you're not using it, but honestly feels kind of cheap. Not going to use it, so rather just let it sit on my desk. All right. Here's the closed back one, made from wood, the cups. So the frame is the same. Well, the headband's the same. The suspension band is the same. The hangers look to be the same. The pads feel to be the same. Can't tell if that's metal, but I know it's metal for sure here on the sides. These rims that go around the yeah. My setting on this one is how many clicks? 6. So I would assume the same setting will work. 4 and 6. So there's 6. Left and right. Looks good. That's how you set them up. And of course you plug in the other end to your headphone amp or whatever source you're using. So here they are side by side. That's an unboxing of it. It's pretty simple. You don't get much in it. Really just the headphone and headphone stand and cable. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.